Alright, just get him out of the way. Get him out of the road. Watch out for that ram. Wait, that's it. Look back. Good girl. Alright, good puppy. Okay, hang on. No, on me. On me! Back in here. Come on. Let's get these birds out. Alright, get them birds out. Get them birds. Away. Slowly. Get him out. Good girl. Good puppy. Alright, let's get him into the other pen. Come on. These birds are always getting out. Let me open up this other gate first. Get him out amongst this junk. Oi, back over there. Look back. Good girl. I don't know where that third one's gone. Hey, go get him. Go with them birds. Bring them up. Over there. Oi. Bring him in. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, good girl. Excellent. That's a good puppy. Good girl. Let's go see where Texas is.